Guys, naliligaw na kami. So, hanapin muna namin yung number namin. Update na lang kayo. Update na lang namin kayo. Babaliktad muna kami ng damit. Naliligaw na kami. Good afternoon, folks. Today we had something interesting. We are going camping to the Clearwater Lake. We have 5 hours drive and we hope that the drive will be smooth. And the Lord will keep us safe throughout the travel. As you can see, we have a gloomy weather but still hot, and the road is nice. So hoping we're gonna have a good weekend. Alright, see you later. So guys, update. Halos 2 hours na kami tumatakbo, wala pa kami sa kalahati ng destination namin. Maintain ng 110 kilometers per hour. Usually, since nawala ang aking cruise control kasi bug season, so nadudumihan yung ating sensor, so hindi ko magana yung cruise control ko. And since heavy ang aking feet, naglalaro ako ng 110 to 115 kilometers per hour, and wala pa kami sa kalahati. Napakalayong biyahe. Buti na lang comfortable si CRV, hindi matagtag. Bumibigit ang paa, 120 na. Buti siya ang ating manager. Buti na lang, may puto ng kasoy. Alright, update ulit later. Alright guys, update. Delay kami ng 15 minutes.
30.
Kasi
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Bakit?
Kasi lumampas kami sa turn namin. Yung map namin, yung guide namin nakatulog, hindi lumiko. So pinabalik kami ng halos 20 kilometers o more than 20 kilometers. But this route, there's 2 routes actually. Tama naman yung diniretso namin. Yun nga lang, mas mahaba siya, mas malayo siya ng 1 oras. Itong route na to is mas malapit ng 1 oras. Pero mas narrow yung daan. And mas pangit compared doon sa main highway, sa Highway 6, kasi ito Highway 60. So para siyang shortcut in a sense. At least nakatipid kami ng 1 hour drive. Kasi kung maintain yung takbo mo ng 110, 115 kilometers, yung 1 hour drive mo is like, I think, almost 100 kilometers na drive. So pwede na din. Okay lang na bumalik kami ng 20 plus kilometers. update ulit later. I think we are in a quarter, third quarter to our destination. So the PA is 70 kilometers away. It's 5:52 in the evening right now, and I think we're gonna reach the PA around 7:10. So it's still a lot to cover, but we are getting there. We just turned from Highway 60 to Highway 10. Okay, we'll keep you posted. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Dapa.
We're not at the bar.
In 300 meters, stay to the right.
But meron pa kaming 25 minutes travel doon sa pupuntahan namin.
Ay, may McDo.
Dadaanan lang natin ang main town ng Dapa.
McDo.
McDo! Ay, McDo. Uy, mas mura yung ESO dito kaysa doon sa kabila.
Taiwan 54 lang, oh.
Kaya nga,
Stay
doon
to the right
166,
2
di ba?
Street West.
Eso kay ano ba yun? Petro yun, ha?
Metro ba yun? Hindi ba yun ESO?
That was the ESO.
That was it.
ESO yun eh.
Yeah, I read the sign.
Parehas lang.
There's McDo.
Daya naman.
There's McDo.
Continue straight for 15 minutes to
Macdo.
Highway
Yeah,
287.
McDo.
McDo da, McDo, McDo.
What kupi?
I want food. I want food.
McDo.
I want food.
Okay.
Doon, curbside tayo. Curbside.
Ano ba? Nag-order ka?
Kaya nga, kailangan ko ng number para dalhan.
So, anong number? Saan ako number?
Kailangan ko ng number. Pupunta ka kahit sa number. Ilalagay ko doon kung anong number.
Okay. Pasensya na po.
Oh, baka matras ka atras.
Hindi ko alam na may ganun pala. So, dito ako sa number 1.
Ikaw? Magano ka?
Mga McDo muna sila guys.
I want food.
Okay.
Ha? Magano?
Mamaya ulit. Alright guys, tapos na kami sa McDo. May nag-order ng strawberry, kape, at mango smoothie. Oh. Medyo malaki din pala ang Dapa. At may malaki silang simbahan ng Catholic dito. Tapos yung hospital ayun. Ang laki ng hospital nila. 5th floor. May binili lang si Commander sa No Frills. And then move forward na kami
Sa Dapa. And it's good.
sa aming destination, which is yung
Dapa.
camping site.
I spilled a lot of fries.
Ang daming lamok. Ang lalaki ng lamok. Walang sinabing mga lamok sa Pilipinas. Ang lamang lang ng lamok sa Pilipinas, may malaria at may dengue.
Yeah.
Dito walang dalang sakit ang lamok, pero ang lalaki. Masakit lang mga gut. Anyway, enjoy muna tayo ng break bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating destination. Alright guys, we're on our way again. And nabudol na naman ako sa gas. Dahil palang ESO dito. Yung unang pinagpagasan ko is 166.
After one street,
After a street lang, may ESO ulit, 154 lang. Tapos may mga ibang gas station dito, 153 lang. Grabe talaga. Palibasa, first time kaya hindi namin alam.
Kala namin wala na ibang gasolinahan. Kasi yun yung unang nakitang gasolinahan.
Kasi malapit nang maubos yung gas ko kanina, kaya ako nagmamadali Kala ko wala na ibang gas station
There's a lake.
Well, anyway, we still have 24 kilometers to cover. 19 minutes. It looks like it's going to rain, but according to the commander, it's not going to rain. So,
According to the weather network,
Where's the commander?
family foods.
this place is way bigger than we thought. I think maybe kaka-expand lang yan or what? Parang mukha pang bago
Yeah. Hindi naman to. Makapabago yung mga chicken shop.
We're going fast. Again. And it's gonna be boring.
Cree Nation. So,
Hi everyone, I'm Erin. I'm Sally. Desmond, and we are Aleni. Thank you so much for
Aseneskak.
casino.
Oh, see, there's still casino in here.
What's casino?
And a lot of thanks to Jeremy.
Alright guys, see you again later when we reach the destination. I think when we reach the destination, that's not the final destination. That's just the...
We have to register first.
Then based on our contact, the campsite is still far. So malayo-layo pa. So far so good ang ating travel. Alright guys, tigil muna tayo dito sa signboard ng Clearwater Provincial Park. Remembrance daw.
Tayo dito. Dito pala tayo. I wanna see. Where are we?
Clearwater Provincial Park.
Where?
So saan tayo pupunta?
I don't know.
Hey, where are
Hindi
we?
ko rin alam.
Ito ang campers ko. Tayo dito ang campers ko.
So ito yung sign ng Clearwater Provincial Park. Papasok pa lang tayo doon sa pinaka...
Dad, where are we right now?
Where's the Campers Cove?
We'll go register here. Then we'll...
Pioneer Bay?
See, this is the park.
Okay.
I'm cold.
Let's go take a picture and we need to head on our way.
I'm cold. I want.
Okay, picture muna kami guys. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Campers Cove. So dito tayo magre-register. And then after ng registration, proceed tayo sa campsite. So usually yung mga campground dito sa Canada, ganito yung style. Okay guys, see you later kapag tapos na kami mag-register. Alright guys, sarado na yung check-in kiosk. So bukas na lang tayo mag-check-in. Diretso na tayo ng campground. Since naka-register naman tayo, okay lang. And malapit na rin tayo sa may campground. Campsite.
We're at the dead end.
Oh no, rough road na.
Yay!
So this is the end. Campground. Pioneer. I think there's a lot of people camping.
Turn left. Then turn left.
So So this is our campsite, the Pioneer Bay Clearwater Lake Provincial Park. That.
Nine, why did you say the bad word?
Wait, Tay. Backwards.
Back up. Mabagal ng photographer.
Ayun na. Anong bad word?
You said holy.
And napakadaming lamok.
Alam na kung sinasabi ng liin lang, ha?
Hindi pa tayo nakakalabas ng car.
Right now.
Ang dami ng lamok.
It's ano?
It's dragonflies.
One way. Dragonflies. Number 7.
It's mosquito season, that's why.
See, number 1, number 2.
Anong number tayo?
I think number 7, 8.
Turn left.
So sunny.
2.
You arrive at your destination.
Oh no, we don't have a internet here.
Where's the number thing?
Or we just pick a
See
spot.
washroom.
21, 23.
3.
Siguro next time may dala na tayong RB.
There you go. Meron na ano.
Do not enter.
One way here. I think that was 7 or 8. 7 and 8, I think.
So hinahanap pa natin yung ating
Brown.
campsite spot number. At maraming pasikot-sikot.
10 na to.
10.
12.
Labas na.
Maybe sa baba. You can go down sa baba.
May daan ba dun?
I don't know. Bakit, paano na sila nakapunta doon?
Back up.
Walang internet.
Stop, stop.
Yan, may daan. No, we can't be.
Wala.
Baka dyan pa ang daan.
Ang hirap na mahanapin ng number na yun. Ang dami ng lamok, pati si Bluey pinapapak. Kasi from winter,
Kasi may string lights ito. Kaya yan ang gusto ko. May canopy tayo. See?
Oh, separate naman yan.
I know. Yan nga. Kaya nga gusto kong
13.
Kaya nga gusto kong bumili doon.
Ang lampas na sa number ano yun.
Baka feeling ko sa baba yun eh. Sabi niya malapit daw yun sa ano eh. Malapit sa...
So mali yung ano natin.
Sabi, alam ko malapit sa baba. Malapit sa beach daw yun.
Kaya nga mali yung pasok natin. May one way to eh.
15, 16.
Saan ang end nito? Eh tama naman yung direction natin doon, 'di ba? Na nakalagay doon 5 to ano. So inikot lang tayo. So where is our entrance supposed to be?
I think you go out of here.
So this is do not enter. This is number one way.
Malay ka din.
Dito. So dito tayo. Kasi 5 to 20. Dito nga. Dito.
Baka dyan oh. Yan baba.
Where's the other people?
Diyan tayo galing kanina, di ba?
camping is?
Doon. Kabila.
Diyan sa baba. Dito tumatayo kanina.
Hindi doon. Asan na yung number?
7, 8 nga.
Ay, dito pala tayo dumaan.
Diyan tayo dumaan kanina. Dadaanan natin. Tay, one way to eh. Go na.
Oh.
One way ba to?
Mali na naman ang pasok. Hirap talaga pag first time, oh. You still have time.
I think I know where to go.
Dapat dun pala to.
I know where to go.
21, 23 yun eh, pag ganun.
No.
So, saan ba talaga yung ano? Guys, naliligaw na kami. So, hanapin muna namin yung number namin. Update na lang kayo. Update na lang namin kayo. Babaliktad muna kami ng damit. Naliligaw na kami. Alright guys, so nakita na namin yung spot namin, which is number 7. Medyo maliit. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ipapasto yung tent dito. Siguro lilipat ko tong table, tapos dito na lang yung tent. Meron na rin silang grilling station, oh.
Tayo mo ako mag-ano. I-sprint yung ano.
So, ayun yung lake. Malapit lang. I think 200 meters. Problema lang ngayon, sobrang dami ng lamok. Ang lalaki. Meron kaming kapitbahay nandun. Ang sabi nung aming kasama, ang number daw namin is 7 and 8. So, nasa 7 kami. So, ang tanong ko is, ba't meron dun sa 8?
Hindi ko sure.
Sabi mo 7 and 8.
Hindi ko sure. Kaya nga ito.
Okay guys, I'll update you again when we are settled. Sobrang dami talaga ng lamok. So spray muna ng pangtaboy ng ano, masasamang loob. Alright guys, so magtatayo muna kami ng tent kasi malapit na dumilim. Alright guys, inabot na kami ng gabi kasi wala kaming practice yung pag-build ng tent, so natagalan talaga kami, pero at least ngayon okay na siya, tayo na siya, pwede na siyang tulugan, meron ng pet sa loob, so ganyan. Bukas ko na lang ipapakita yung pag maliwanag na. Alright, so may nag-i-enjoy na dito.
Sabi ko picture.
Picture lang ba? Okay.